Welcome to this rare opportunity for a custom handcrafted log cabin on nearly 2 acres. From its expansive 78 feet of deck, enjoy majestic views of the valley, Coast Range, and the late-night lights of Dallas. A large shop is ready for any number of uses. Head inside and discover its warm, rustic interior with a dramatic fireplace and soaring ceilings. It also includes modern amenities such as radiant slab heating in the flooring and an on-demand hot water system. Create your favorite cuisine in the delightful kitchen. This home has 3 levels, including a bedroom and full bath on each level. Upstairs, you'll find an open 15 by 9 foot loft area. Plus a private master bedroom with a full bath. The lower level is perfect for dual living with a large entertainment room and another bedroom plus a full bath. You can unwind on your deck and connect with nature. Enjoy your garden, fruit trees, and wildlife. The huge 36 by 90 foot shop can be used for business, hobbies, or storing all of your toys. It includes 2 large finished rooms and a full bath. You'll love the private, tranquil setting nestled in a hillside, yet not far from Salem or Dallas. This captivating custom log cabin is ready for you here to call home. For more information or to schedule your own personal tour, please contact Bryan Rehnberg with Premier Property Group at 541-619-1449.